Getting a smartphone out of your pockets is usually much easier than taking out a self-defense device. So combining the two together is a surprisingly effective solution. This is a smartphone case with a built-in knife in the lower part. The accessory allows you to carry the knife safely without taking too much space in your pockets or bag. When you need the knife, it's always at hand. When not, you don't have to worry about it because it won't get in the way and it won't get lost. This weapon is made with 440C stainless steel, so it perfectly combines durability, wear resistance, and stain resistance as well. The price starts at $89. Firearms are among the most effective means of self-defense, but have several significant drawbacks. They are large and uncomfortable to carry. Both of these issues were addressed during the development of this state-of-the-art handgun. The result is a truly compact and portable American-made means of self-defense. The pistol is only 4 inches long and weighs 9 ounces. The weapon is no bigger than a smartphone, and it easily fits even in your jeans pocket. The main feature that makes this gun so compact is its folding design. However, despite this, it is a fully fledged weapon. It holds 5 rounds of .22 Magnum cartridges, and the price is $450. Even though firearms are indeed highly effective, they are not suitable for everyone as a means of self-defense. A more practical and affordable option was introduced by the American company Defender Ring. On its site, you can find a huge number of exquisite jewelry made of steel, silver, gold, and rose gold. All of them have one thing in common though, a removable top hiding a thin but extremely sharp spike. So in a dangerous situation, you won't have to waste any time looking for a weapon in your bag. The ring is always at hand, and it's brought into action in a matter of seconds. The price of the accessory depends on its material and ranges from $60 to $140. A nice bonus is that the removable elements can be bought separately and changed according to your mood. Since we're talking about accessories, we couldn't help but talk about this bracelet designed for the most aggressive survival conditions. Under normal circumstances, the accessory is on your wrist, doesn't get in the way, and doesn't take up unnecessary space in your backpack. In a critical situation, you can remove it and take out a sharp knife out of the clasp. In addition, the strap of the wristband is a paracord, and the folding blade can be detached. They can also be worn as a pendant, used as a keychain or carried on a backpack. The price is about $10. There are new compact folding gun models every year. But this gun is still one of the best of its class. The gun is 3.4 inches long, which is about the size of a credit card and weighs only 7 ounces. Thanks to its minimalist design, with no protruding parts, this gun will fit into even the smallest pocket. The gun fires .22 caliber cartridges. 1 bullet is stored in the single-shot pistol, and 3 additional bullets are stored in the grip. The price of live cards starts at $300. You shouldn't have to compromise when it comes to self-defense, so this gadget combines 2 weapons at the same time. This is a knuckle duster and a stun gun, which, thanks to its compact size, fits comfortably in the palm of your hand and can be easily carried in your pocket. The price starts at $20. Providing the highest level of protection without attracting unnecessary attention is what this gadget does best. Inside the case, disguised as a door key, there is a sharp 2-inch blade. This weapon can be conveniently carried both in a pocket and on a keychain. The price is $10. This is a unique, non-lethal means of self-defense used to disarm and scare away an assailant. At close range, the device fires special cartridges 3 at a time. The cloud they create causes severe coughing, light cremation, and extreme disorientation. The range of the shot is up to 15 feet. As a result, the weapon creates the ideal situation for a safe escape. This knife, which surprisingly doesn't have a folding blade, can help you in the most difficult and dangerous situation. The weapon was forged from a single piece of high-quality carbon steel. Nevertheless, the model features a slim profile, short length, and a tiny weight of only 2 Oz. It comes with a safety sheath that allows you to carry it around your neck in a pocket or a backpack. The claw-shaped blade has virtually no resistance, so it cuts through even hard synthetic materials. The handle is ergonomically shaped, but the grip can be further improved with paracord. The approximate price is $25. The next gadget on our list is perfect if you don't want to deal with weapons at all. This personal alarm system will be able to protect its owner without forcing them to perform any active actions. The secret of its effectiveness lies in the high-powered signal, which reaches 130 decibels. The sound produced by the gadget is clearly audible at a distance of up to 12,150 feet. Loud and annoying, it will scare away the attacker and attract the attention of everyone around you. It also has a built-in flashlight, which is an added bonus. The price of the gadget is $13. At first glance, you wouldn't know that this gadget can help you in a dangerous situation. That's because it is skillfully disguised as a pen and can even be used as one. In addition to the ink, however, a thin 2.5-inch blade is hidden inside. It's easy to get access to it. You only need to pull the pen casing. The whole procedure takes literally a few seconds. As you can easily guess, this knife is an excellent tool not only when you need to protect yourself. It's also suitable for opening letters, boxes, cutting paper, and other household tasks. The price is only $7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.